Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am bringing the video of Figma. Figma, which is a nothing but a template. So here this one, before you are going to start the website or mobile app, first you have to design that particular design and show to the customer to get the feedback to before code. Okay, so that is very helpful for to make the process. Okay, there is a prototype. You will be able to easy to you can uh, show the customer to get the feedback, right? So here, once the customer asks you to do the business website, so you simply you go and get the idea. So you go to the template and tools. Okay, okay, rather than doing the from scratch, you can go to the search. So we have to type business website. Okay, so my internet connection is little bit slow, that's why it takes some time to load this everything. So if it is a fast, it is load very fast, right? So it's one by one loading here. Okay, so it's loading here. This is a nice template. You can see it's a template, business template. Okay, if you want to do this one, you click on it and you can see that design. This is a design. Okay, so if you like the design, you go along with this one. Okay, so if it is not, you have go this all the things are still loading. You have to wait. If it is not loaded, you can again you have to refresh it. Sometimes it takes some time to load because that it's depend on the internet. Okay, so my internet connection is little bit slow, so that's why it's loading very slow. Yeah, now it's loading here. Okay, it's loading. Now it's one by one loading. So you can get the which design you prefer. You just get this one. So if you prefer this one, you go along with here. There are many designs are there. So the business website here, there are here. This is I like this design. Okay, click on it. Okay, the design this 5.9k users are using this one. Okay, so this nice. You have to see this comment also. How the peoples are comment. Okay, every peoples are not comment. Some other websites are like that way. They are commenting. This is a good site. Okay, so if you open it, if you click and open it, okay, it is opening the new window. Okay, so now here, rather than you have to design your website from the scratch, you can modify the website using this template. Okay, okay, these are the default logo and styles are there. Rather than that, you can put into your one image and logo as your requirements. You can design and show it to them. Okay, it's very simple here. The design is there, page is there. Look at it here is a page. Page is coming here. Look like this. Okay, it's a page. You can see the pages. I think it's still installing that one. Here it's still installing, that's why it's coming like this way here. It's still installing. You are why it's not coming, it's blurring. You are think about it's not, you don't think about this one once the installation is processed because it's loading. Okay, loading means it is installed. Okay, this complete design will be installing in your machine, so that it takes some time. So it's depend on your internet connection here. Now it's successfully installed. Now you will be able to see here the simple scratch. Okay, it's simple scratch. So like you can see again here it's installing. So after installing you can get this window as well. So the from scratch here, so everything is detailing it here. Here simply you will be able to edit this one. Okay, this one you will be able to edit. Okay, so once things is finished, we can have it. Okay, so that here this layer also, this every layer should be there here. Oh, cover about us. Okay, so that we can't here, this everything is there here. Okay, now you will be able to edit here. Still it's loading, so that takes time here. Okay, you can edit whatever you need. Your text, you can edit the text. So if as a logo, you can do it as, and if it is your logo, you just drag and drop it and adjust it. This is a style. Okay, so if you don't like this one, you have to just drag and get rid of these pictures instead of you are putting one pictures and you have to write. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so this everything are there here. You no need to design from the scratch. This complete design you can do by that Figma. That's why the Figma is very famous nowadays. Okay, so you have to do the things using Figma because it's very good template and tools. Yeah, it's still installing. So this how you have to do the things template and all, right? So the same thing, what is the website you are going to make it, the simple way you have to make look like this way. This is very good things you have to do. You don't need to design the website from the scratch. You have to design. You just download the template from the schema template, get one of them, and you have to go through the editing part. Okay, so simply you have to do the websites. Okay, so just you need to adjust these all things. That's all. Okay, okay, that's how we have to do the website. Okay, so that after that you can after you done the design, you can just go to here and you can go to the export option. You have to export it, each image and text and everything. Okay, after that you will be able to code whatever you are design over here. The same thing you are going to code whatever WordPress or your custom HTML with CSS and JavaScript or whatever you prefer. Okay, that's how we have make the design. Thank you for watching.